Texas, there was a case. There was a guy. He was not under arrest. He was not detained. They had just brought him in for questioning. At some point during the questioning, Salinas decided that he was not wanting to answer any more of the questions, and he just wanted to get up and leave. They used his silence against him in a court of law, on trial. When he was on trial, they said at some point during the questioning, he stopped talking, which implies his guilt. His silence was used against him to prove his guilt. Salinas' lawyers brought up, rightly so, that under the Constitution, we have a Fifth Amendment protection that we do not have to self-incriminate, that we have the right to remain silent. When we're under arrest, we are assumed to not know our constitutional rights, and as such, law enforcement officers are required to tell us them, including that we have the right to remain silent, and that anything said can be used against us in a court of law. But the Miranda ruling only applies when you're detained and or under arrest. It doesn't talk about if you're just being questioned. So basically the ruling of the Supreme Court, which again, Alito wrote this ruling too, if I'm remembering that correctly. Alito wrote this stupid ruling too, in order for you, as somebody in this country, to utilize your right to remain silent, you have to speak.